Hey guys, so let's talk about arrays. An array is a data structure that can store multiple values of the same type. Imagine we want to store a list of scores. Instead of storing each score in individual variables, we can store them all together in a single array. To declare an array, we start by specifying the data type followed by double square brackets. In this example, since we want to store a list of scores, we need an array of integers. Next, we choose the name of the array. It follows the same rules as discussed in the naming variables video. And finally, we initialize the array by using the keyword new, followed by the array type, and between square brackets, the array length. The length equals the total number of elements we want to store. In this example, the array can store up to 3 elements. An array has a fixed length, meaning it's not possible to increase or decrease its size. So, if you initialize an array with 3 elements, you cannot remove or add extra elements if needed. When declaring an array, the program reserves the amount of memory to store the selected kind of data. But the array starts empty. So, let's see how to assign values to each element of the array. Each element has an index. The index of the first element is always 0, and the last one is always equal to the length of the array minus 1. So, to assign a value to one of the elements, you need to call the array, access the element by its index, and assign the value. To access an element of the array, we place the index between square brackets after the name of the array. For example, this would assign the value 300 to the second element of the array. Don't forget that since the array index starts at 0, the second element has an index of 1. To get an element of the array, we place the index between square brackets after the name of the array. For example, this would assign the value of the first element of the array to the score variable.